Hello there, fellow Homo sapiens. Today, we are doing a drawing video. It's a tutorial on how to draw Baldi from Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Because I have no ideas. So, what you want to do is, you want to start off with a circle. Like normal, right? Right? You want a circle? You don't need to put lines this time. You don't need to. You don't need to. But you want to do this. You want to make a bunch of lines. Right? So then you want to go and boom. So that's Baldy. So that's his neck and that's his head. And then you're gonna start doing his shirt. And you want to have him kind of hunched over and make him look really cool, because that's what the cool kids look like these days, really like hunchbacks and stuff, like raccoons. And then you could do that. And we're gonna give him an arm because Baldy needs his arms. So then we're gonna have his hands. Okay, there's one hand. And then we're gonna have a ruler. Yeah, that's a ruler. And then there we go. And then you just have his other arm come up here. Yeah, his arm is connecting to his neck. Don't worry. It's fine. And don't ask questions. Everything is fine. So then we want to sketch out whoops. Supposed to be under. There we go. So you want to start sketching out his disgusting legs. And then boom. Yeah, then you make some triangle feet for Baldi, and then boom, that's his body shape done. So what you want to do is now maybe you want to clean up some of the lines. Just get your eraser tool at home, or you can just get your actual eraser if you're not doing this on your digital art program, because you may not be able to afford a tablet because you're poor. But um there we go. And then oh whoops, nope. Okay. So then you want to make him look angry, because from what I've heard and what I've seen, he is a very, very angry person. So we're gonna. He looks like a blobfish. So that's kind of what we're going for. For his face, we're going for the blobfish look, because that's what Baldi is. If you didn't know, Baldi is actually based off of a blobfish. So you just want to erase some of your lines to make it look better, so it doesn't look all poorly made and garbage, you know? No, you wanna. There you go. You make that's his mouth, and then you clean up some of the other lines and like blah. You can do that, and boom. So that's his face done. Oh, no, his face isn't done. You have to give him his eyebrows, and then you have to give him that one stupid strand of hair. So boom. There's that. So now we want to color him, huh? All right. So cool. We will get this shade, and we will get the watercolor, and we will start applying it. This isn't how Baldi, like, this isn't his skin color at all, but you know what? Who cares? This is a drawing tutorial, so not everything is completely on, not everything is completely on point, and it's a video made by me, so not everything's 100% correct, so keep that in mind. I'm not a skilled artist, but yeah. So if you didn't do good, then you just go back over those lines and probably put them back because you probably missed them all because you suck. Um, so then you go like that, and then boom, you have your lines back, make them look ugly again. Oh, shoot, we lost our color. Well, that sucks. You just gotta choose another color, and you gotta shade it because Yeah. Then you want to get the airbrush, and you want to shade it even more so it looks even better. Alright, so boom, there you go. Perfect. Now you want to get a color for his mouth. And since the watercolor probably won't work there, we're just going to get it dark, and then we're going to get the airbrush and do all that. So boom. Let's get a color for the ruler now. Yes, I know I'm doing completely nonsense things first, but that's the point. We're going to stretch this video out as long as we can. So, yeah, there's that. Now let's see. Let's color his fingers. Alright, so boom, there's that. And then his t-shirt is green, so you're gonna want to get watercolor because we're lazy. And you want to do this and go over it again. And get that color all in there. Make it look ugly. There we go. There you go. Now he's starting to get color. Um, we're not trying. As you can see, I'm coloring out of the lines like I'm a preschooler. That's the point. Because we want to make this look like a really professional drawing. So the trick is you want to fake people out and be like, "Ha, I'm a professional," but you're really not. You're a toddler. So there you go. Boom. Then you want to get a dark green, and you want to get airbrush, and you want to shade, but not jade. Nah, yeah, there you go. Alright, so boom. There you go. Now, we want to get his pants, and you want to color those. We're too lazy to really try, so we're just going to do that. Then we're going to blah. And then boom! Oh, wait, no. You want to get the airbrush. You want to finish his eyes. And boom! There's Baldi from Baldi's Education. Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's what it is. I can't ever remember the name of the game. But that's perfectly fine. So, boom! There you go. That's Baldi. That's exactly how he looks in the game. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the longest video I've ever had on this channel. But, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, tell me in the comments that you liked it. Or just leave a like, because that would help. And please subscribe to my channel. Please. So, yeah. There you go. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. And peace.